Hey guys, welcome back to my channel GR Records. In today's video, I'll be sharing you one of the famous dishes from northern India, and it is one of my favorites too. It is known as northern style chili chicken. So, before getting inside the recipe, I would request you guys to subscribe to my channel by clicking on that subscribe button and click on the bell icon to turn on your notifications. And that's it, you're good to go. Let's get inside the recipe now. First, you need to make a paste. For making this, you will need 1 medium bowl of mint leaves, half bowl of coriander leaves. That's it. Now, you need to put both of them to a mixie jar and grind it without adding any water. You will get this type of consistency. That's it. Now, moving on to the ingredients part. Coriander powder, chili powder, turmeric powder, garam masala, food coloring, eggs, corn flour, maida or all-purpose flour, and the chutney that we made earlier. Then liquidy items are white cooking vinegar, tomato sauce or ketchup, soya sauce, and green chili sauce, ginger garlic paste, and salt as per your taste. 750 grams of boneless chicken cut into small pieces like this. For onions, I'm taking 6 medium onions cut into square layers. This is how I usually cut it. It might be little time consuming, but it is worth it. And you need 1 whole capsicum cut in square. Moving on to the marination of chicken. In this chicken, I'm adding garlic ginger paste, turmeric powder, chili powder, coriander powder, garam masala, the food coloring, salt, corn flour, and all-purpose flour. So I'm taking 4 all-purpose flour here. The chutney that we have made earlier and 2 eggs. Now I'm going to mix it roughly with a spoon. As I was recording with one hand, it was tough for me, so let's hold for a while. After mixing, this is how it is going to look. Now moving on to the sauce part. I'm using 2 tablespoons of tomato sauce, a half tablespoon of chili sauce, a little soya sauce, and half a tablespoon of vinegar. Going to mix it, and this is how it is going to look like. Now it's still for minimum 3 hours of time, and after that I'm moving on to the preparation part. First, boil the oil, and once it is hot, I'm going to add the capsicum pieces. Once it changes color, I'm going to add the onions. I'm not going to allow it to fry for a whole time. So once the color changes to light pink or colorless, I'm going to take it out like this. Now in the same oil, I'm going to add the marinated chicken pieces. You can add it in bulk also. So I'm going to add them. Make sure to cook it evenly. Once done, I'm going to take it out and put it in the same jar where I have put the onion and capsicum. Moving on to the final part. First, I'm going to add tomato sauce, around 1.5 tablespoons. Then I'm going to add a tablespoon of chili sauce and 1 teaspoon of soya sauce. Now I'm going to mix it very nicely until the sauces get mixed with every piece of the chicken. And that's it, you're ready. Just going to shake it a little more so that the sauce gets dipped, and as a final step I will be adding little coriander leaves. That's it. Now let's go to the final picture. You can also have this served with chapatis or fried rice, but I prefer to eat it without anything else. Looks yummy, right? Thank you for watching my video till the end. I would really appreciate if you hit the like button and share this video with your friends. Also, if you recreate this, do not forget to tag me. Bye.